Hey, taco man. No, I don't man. Taco nurse. Okay. Haha. Fried corn. Anybody know about that soul food fried corn? Y'all don't know about that. Y'all don't know about that fried corn, do ya? Fried corn on a fried taco shell. I don't know, just fried shell, whatever. Let's see.
Ooh.
Excuse my background noise over here. Here we go. That's some good corn right there. Some good corn right there, baby. Sweet.
Is that corn right there? That corn you eating on, baby. That ain't out the can. That supposed to be eating out the can. That guy shot that cut corn. That ain't know what it is.
My husband fixed this corn for me, baby.
That's fresh, extra sweet.
Got it right. So you hear me? Ooh, and the corn shell on top of it with the crunch.
Fried corn. Ooh.
That's southern, honey.
Ooh. That cat corn.
Southern fried like Francis used to make.
I learned it from my mama. Got it from my mama, baby.
That's good, y'all. I'm about to tear it up.